video, we're not really sure what to call it, but today we're organising our school stationery supplies, because in the last video we showed you what we got for school, back to school. So because we actually start organising, so that's why the camera's in a weird angle.
Yeah, so we're gonna, it's kind of gonna be like a bit of a vlog, but we've got a pretty big camera, so we can't really like vlog ourselves.
Yeah, like vlog style,
but we can like show you guys what we're doing and stuff like that. So we're pretty much getting ready for school, which is in a couple of weeks, so we're kind of...
This is my section here. It's kind of messy and so is Heather's. But here's my books that I just got delivered today, and like a calculator also I got delivered. Then I have my pencil case. I have my books here. Oops, sorry about the tag. I have my books here. I have folders and stuff here. And then I have stuff for my locker there. And then I just have like stuff that, pencils and all that sort of stationery sort of stuff here. And some of it, if you didn't see in our stationery haul, it's because they're like stuff I used from last year. This stuff is some of the stuff I used from last year. This was my pencil case I used last year. It's actually a toiletry bag, but it's gotten like really dirty inside. So I decided not to use it this year. And that's all most of the stuff I used from last year, and I'm just gonna like not use that sort of stuff. And then on Heather's side, also if you wonder, that's a bin, and these things are dividers that my mum got, and we're just using that to divide our sections. Yeah. So on Heather's side, you tell me, Heather.
Okay, so here, it's kind of a bit of a mess. I'm actually not really sure what I was doing, but anyway. So I've just cleaned my coloured pencils. And these were from last year, so that's why I didn't see it in the stationery haul. I'm actually sorting out my pencil, I was about to say pencil case, but yeah, my pencil holder. I'm just kind of going through my pens and my pencils. I'm going to sharpen them. And here I have my highlighters, and we have heaps, so I'm just going to work out which ones I want to take to school.
And then she has a folders, glue sticks.
And then my iPad there, and yeah.
Okay guys, so now I am doing my pencil case, so I'll show you guys.
So, here's my pencil case. So, I'm just going to start getting ready. So, I need to like open these pens and everything like that. So now I have to get all this stuff into my pencil case. So wish me luck. So
it's Heather here, and it's my turn to show you guys what I'm organising, even though we are taking turns. But yeah, so while Josie was organising all of her stuff, I've been organising my pen holder. So in here I just have all my coloured pens. Then in here I have all my pens. So I have like a few blue, mostly black. And this one too is kind of borderline being in there, but I'm just going to keep it in here. Then in here, I just have my highlighters and then just like these kind of like pen, yeah, like texture pens. And yeah, and
I think this is all the organising I'll do for now, because yeah, I forgot to get another rubber band for my room, and also need to find my scissors. So I just have 3 highlighters. I might add another one, but I'm thinking straight from there. Got my rubber, got my whiteout, got my sharpener, and I couldn't decide this one or the orange one. And I might do the orange one because it's a little bit smaller, so I can add some other stuff in the pencil kits. And yes, oh, and also, guys.
So for my locker, I'll just zoom in a little bit. I have this whiteboard. I have this container, and I just have like some sticky things to and some hooks to hang some other stuff up on.
okay, so I will be organizing my folders and also my books, but I'm really probably like less than a quarter, probably like a third or something of it, because as I said, my books haven't come yet, so it's a bit tricky. So I'm just gonna kind of like see what book I want for which. And yeah, so here I have this pocket folder which I used last year. It's so good and it's definitely great for maths. And then I'll also be using this purple notebook, and then I have my calculator from last year and also in year 7, and also my geometry set. And I'm still not really sure, because I do food tech at my school, so I'm not really sure if I want one of them as it, or like science, or one of those other subjects. So yeah, I'm still deciding, so I'm not really sure. So with all these notebooks, I'm still not really sure. I'm thinking maybe for history and geography for this one, but yeah, I'm still not really sure. And also, guys, also comment down below, because I think on our vlog channel, we might do like a little back to school series, because we're kind of like talking about that while we're filming this. And also, I have these 2, which I showed in the haul video. And I probably won't use the orange one because I'm using that for music. So maybe one of these 3. But yeah, again, I'm not really sure which classes I want to use them for. And yeah, so